Today I am going to show one of the most beautiful and meaningful Christmas decoration you can add to your home, the Christmas ladder decor. It's a simple, rustic, budget friendly and full of heart. But before we start decorating, I want to share with you a special story behind the ladder, a story that makes this decoration even more magical. They say every old thing in a home has a memory, and this story began with a small wooden ladder that belonged to a humble carpenter named Thomas. Thomas lived in a small snowy village. Every year he made toys and little wooden gifts for the children. But one Christmas his village went through a difficult winter. Families did not have much. Even Thomas did not have enough wood left to craft toys. One night, while cleaning his workshop, he looked at his old ladder, scratched, worn, full of years of work. He thought maybe even this old ladder has one more purpose. So he stood it up, decorated with leftover twigs, little pine cones, dried oranges, a few ribbons, and the teeny lights he saved from last year. When he placed the ladder near his window, it glowed beautifully. Children walked outside, saw the sparkling lights, and came closer. They asked Thomas, "Is this a Christmas tree?" Thomas smiled gently and said, "This ladder always helped me reach high place. Now it will help us reach happiness again." The children loved it so much that Thomas invited them inside. He handed each child a small wooden star he carved from the last piece of wood. The kids placed the star on the ladder, and together they created the first Christmas ladder, a symbol of hope, kindness, and rising above hard time. The next morning, when villagers saw the glowing ladder, they felt touched. Families began building their own Christmas ladder using old wood, sticks, and anything they had. The village, once dark and cold, light up with ladders full of lights, warmth, and love. Since then, the Christmas ladder became a reminder that no matter how hard life feels, we can always climb toward hope, light, and joy. I hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. And keep supporting my channel. As I always stated, I really appreciate your support and I need your support. So please share the video with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Thanks for watching video till the end. Stay blessed. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you.